Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to trim video on Windows 11. In Windows operating system, default media player installed and will support most of the video format. Sometimes people would like to trim the video. In this situation, they need to use the third-party apps, but Windows operating system version 10 and 11 has the feature to trim the video without using third-party apps. Let's learn how you can do this. In your Windows 11 computer, you have to open the folder, open the video file what you would like to trim. So you have to select and right click and click to open with photos. We have to click on the video trim option. We can check it out. The trim option has been enabled, so you can adjust the node where you would like to trim. Have to click on the save as button, so it will be save the other file. You can check it out now. Your video has been trimmed. So in this way you can trim the video file on your Windows 10 and 11 computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.